What's up, YouTube? Today we're doing an unboxing of the Wyze video doorbell. Go ahead and open this up. Alright, this is the doorbell. I'm just going to lay it aside. Cables and mounting screws. And the chime. So got my little sticker, the quick start guide. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cables and mounting hardware. This has like a little wedge here, so I guess if you want it to point to the side instead of straight ahead. Here we go with the doorbell. Pictures made it look really huge. I think this actually looks better than some of the other doorbells that I've seen out there. I'll also do some measurements at the end just so you can actually see what the sizes are compared to the ruler. But it looks pretty nice. It's about the size of 1.5 to 2 standard size doorbells. There's the little mounting screws for the wiring. Button. Yay! Here's the chime. There's a little setup button on top of that. That's pretty much it. Looks pretty simple. Then go ahead and get ready to get this thing installed. There you go, 1.5 inches by about, what is that, 3/4 if you include the camera, and then 3 1/8, 3 1/4, somewhere in there. Not too bad, but I'll create another video for that. Like, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Talk to you later. Bye.